Hey guys, welcome back to Yamitama Kitchen. So today we'll be seeing how to make cheese balls. So for that take 4 boiled potatoes, 1 finely chopped green chili, 3 to 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of mozzarella cheese which is optional, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, some salt as per taste and 1 teaspoon ginger. Also 2 cubes of processed cheese. I am here using Amul cheese cubes. You can use any cheese cubes available. Now you need to grate the potatoes. So for that take the medium side of the grater and then one by one you need to grate them. You can also mash them using your hands, but I prefer grating them because there would be no big pieces of potatoes. So as you can see, I have grated all the potatoes. Now I need to add the spices. So in goes red chili powder, ginger and salt. Now you need to add the green chili which we have already chopped. You can increase or decrease the amount of green chili according to your taste. 3 to 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs and 1 tablespoon of mozzarella cheese. This is optional. If you don't have it, it is not compulsory to add it. Now give it a good mix. First mix it with spoon or your spatula and then you can use your hands to mix it. And you need to make a soft dough out of it. If you feel that your dough is a bit runny, you can add the breadcrumbs. Like you can prefer adding more breadcrumbs. So our dough is ready. Now as I said before that if you think your dough is not in its shape, not holding its shape, then you can add more breadcrumbs according to your mixture. Now you need to take 2 processed cheese cubes. Cut it into 6 equal parts or you can make some more tiny parts of it like this. You need to cut the second cube also. So for the final step for making the balls, you need to take the dough in your hands. Then make a small ball out of it and then flatten it like this. Now place the cheese cube in center of it. And then wrap the cheese cube with the dough. And don't forget to grease your hands with oil. If you'll not do this, the dough will stick to your hands a lot. So just make sure that you grease your hands with a nice amount of oil. Now you need to give the dough a cylindrical shape. You can also make a ball out of it. Now put it into the breadcrumbs and coat it nicely with breadcrumbs. Similarly, you have to do with the rest of the balls also. As I have said, if you want, you can make ball out of it rather than a cylindrical shape. Now make the rest of the balls. So you will get around 8 balls out of this amount of dough. If you are making small balls, then you might get more. You will get more. Now in a pan, take oil for frying and heat the oil at medium flame Now drop the balls into the oil and make sure that the flame is between low to medium. If you'll keep the flame at high, the balls will turn golden but the cheese inside will not melt. So you need to keep the flame between low to medium only. Flip the balls in between. Now you can see they are turned golden brown in color, so take it out and similarly fry the rest of the balls. You can drop 2 or 3 balls at same time. Now as you can see, all the balls are turned golden brown in color. So take it out. You can see how crispy and delicious the balls look. You can see how crispy it is. Like you can also hear the voice. This balls taste amazing because of the cheese which we have stuffed inside. See how nicely it has melted. Enjoy!